So I'm going to show you in this video how to create a speed ramp. So let's jump right into this video. So what you're going to have to do here, if I just double more space, expand from here, right click, now show clip keyframes, and then here time remapping and select speed. Then we're going to do the same thing for the next clip. And now from here, we're going to want to add a speed ramp right over here, transition of this videos, hold control or command and hold command or control here, so we can add. You're gonna see that you have those handles here. If you click and drag, and also increase, you have more. You're gonna drag from this side as well, from this side as well. Gonna move the clips. Now you can drag this from this handle from this side.